In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Payhip. We'll walk through the setup process from your Payhip dashboard all the way to creating the course shell and getting ready to build out your lessons. If you're planning to sell educational content, this is a simple way to get started inside the platform. First, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is your main control center where you can manage products, sales, and store settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the products section. This is where all of your digital products, memberships, and courses are managed. So that's where we need to begin. Click on products to open the product management area. After that, select Add New Product. This tells Payhip that you want to create something new to sell or share through your store. You'll then see different product type options available. From those options, click on Course. This is the dedicated product type for structured learning content, and it gives you the tools you need to organize lessons for your students. Choosing the correct product type here is important because it determines how your content will be delivered later. Next, enter your course title. Make sure the title is clear and descriptive because this will help you identify the course inside your dashboard and also present it more professionally to your audience. A strong title should quickly communicate what the course is about, so take a moment to name it carefully. Once the title is in place, click Add Course. This creates the course and takes you into the course setup area. At this point, you've officially created the course container, which means the foundation is ready and you can start adding educational content to it. Now that the course has been created, click on Add New Lesson. This is where your curriculum starts to come together. Lessons are the building blocks of your course, so this step is how you begin turning your course idea into actual learning material your students can follow. As you work through this process, it's a good idea to think about your course structure before adding too many lessons. Even though creating the course itself is quick, having a clear plan for lesson order and topic flow will make the final experience much better for learners. And that's it. You've gone from the Payhip dashboard to creating a course and starting your first lesson. From here, you can continue building out your curriculum inside the course editor and organize your content in a way that's easy for students to navigate.